Hello everyone, once again you're welcome in my YouTube channel. So today I want to share with you how can you become a fluent speaker in English. Then what should you do? You should do practice, speaking practice all time. You have to think in English. If you do this kind of practice, then definitely you're gonna be learn this language. It's not very hard. If you do practice every day, definitely you can become a fluent speaker. Like that, you have to do reading practice, speaking, writing practice. If you have partner, then you have to speak in English. So whatever you do, try to in English. Whatever you want to write, you write in English. These things make you become a fluent speaker. Then you have to speak in a very fast way. If you do not speak very fast, then you cannot become a fast speaker. You know, whenever you speak very fast, what happen in your mind will suddenly become different kinds of idea. Whatever you have knowledge in your mind, that time you can able to speak if you think in fast way. So you have to speak in fast way. You have to think in fast way. Then you can become a fluent speaker. This is my suggestion. If you follow them, you can become a fast speaker. Yes, every day I do practice fast because I will become a fast speaker in English without knowledge. For I want to speak many things. That's why I have thought that I will practice every day fast speaking practice. This kind of practice I do for become a fast speaker. So tell me about your journey. How is it going on? Means how are you practicing English in fast way, slow way, what way? Yeah, I know that to become a fast speaker you need more energy. If you want to become a fast speaker, then you have to practice a lot. You need a lot of practice. Without a lot of practice, you cannot become a fast speaker. So this time I'm able to speak because I am doing every day fast speaking, thinking and listening, reading anything in very fast way. When I think in English, suddenly I think and suddenly I speak through my mouth and I try to speak. Yes, yes, I can speak every day. I think that yes, I'm able to speak this English every day. I judge my English. Yes, every day I'm going to fast speaking practice. So every day I am feeling yes better. So before this, so how is going on practice? So tell me about your comment in my video. Okay, I'll make you another video.